Yo, what's up, Sam? Hello everyone, so we get started. Oh my goodness, it's a new day, it's new me, so I got a little hand. I'm in like put on the shorts, start vlogging, the people is here. Yeah, trying to give the positive. Yeah, those girls is already laugh. Look at this. I don't know, like I'm in the center, but I don't know where am I actually. But I'm trying to find something. I don't know. First of all, it's my goal to find like a girl to make a video. Yeah, see? Yesterday vlog was kind of interesting. That was my first vlog in Italy. So today is the second vlog, second my journey. So welcome to my vlog. Yeah. So everyone to look at me like I'm like really crazy. I don't know. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Yeah, stop. It's just a person with camera. Yeah, that's me. Hi everyone. Yeah. Oh, I saw the girl sitting over there trying to find her and asked, do you want to participate in my video? Yeah, let's check this out. But hello, let's get started. Actually, I bought this. That was expensive. Yeah. Hey girl, say hello to my new vlog. No one want to say hi. Okay, hi. What is this? What are those? So guys, I made like a little break. So right now I wanna try the official. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Stop. Типа official pizza. I ordered the margarita. I hope it will be so good. Costs €8. Man, I wanna try. Yeah. Let's do it. Pizza time.
Pizza time.
Pizza time is ready. My goodness, all pizza is mine. Yeah, that is the pizza. Oh man. Guys, that was kind of expensive pizza and that was tiny. I'm still hungry. You see what's behind me? Something is happening, so let's go check and find out what is happening. Look at this, so many people over there. What is happening? Oh wow, that's crazy. All those people is just a tourist. And look what I found. It looks amazing, like interesting. Look at this, so many people. Просто сумасшествие какое-то. Вау, капец. Ну идемте посмотрим, что еще. Yeah, oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay guys, so you saw I did a flip. So I also was not expecting about that. I'm not allowed to jump over there. It's like an old monument. And after that, police approached me and said, you're not allowed to jump here. It's a monumental. Come on. But look at this. It's a horse. Oh, so good. Освежает. Something refreshing. I just get to know. I talked with one girl, like I met one girl. And she told me like where I did the flips and where the police just came to me and said go away. In that place, shoot the movie. There was Tom Cruise like from film Mission Impossible. And right now I'm located over there. And it also it's here. It's so empty because people wants to make a movie, new episode from a movie Mission Impossible with Tom Cruise. How cool is that? Do you see over there camera is saying get ready to make a movie, and this is like decoration you can see. But it's good to know. Yeah, I will be glad if I saw the Tom Cruise. Guys, how I hate one thing. I'm so hate it. I'm like I should to change like t-shirts like through the 4 hours. I should to change a lot of t-shirts because it's so hot in Rome. It's too hot that I became so wet. That's the reason I'm changing so many t-shirts because it's too hot. Oh my, looks like a new day, but it's still the same day. Oh. You heard? It's a banjo. Давай, брат, гаси. Давай. Мочи, разорви их тут все. Хорош. Ля его колбасит. guys, just going home. But I just want to say one thing, like, I can't believe it, I'm in Italy and I just look at the Colosseum. I can imagine this is like real. It looks like just a picture. Just a picture. It's like, just look. I don't know how to describe. I understand like mental that I am here, but I just look to the Colosseum. It's not like real. I just thought, yeah. Just that, yeah. So let me know in the comments below. Just vintage vlog. Just in fun, yeah. Beautiful music. Let's go home. Oh, so good. Освежает. Something refreshing.